All right, Sourish, come on. I mean, this is in
Yeah,
lines four
I
through
got the
six.
answer. I got the
What are
answer.
the two
I got the
uses for
answer.
needs? Okay.
Yeah.
Can you type it? Can you type it in the chat,
Solar
please?
cells or electronic circuits.
Okay. All right. Very
Hmm.
good. All right. Where do these nano wires already exist in nature?
They exist in sea spray and large underground salt deposits.
All right. Very good.
Yep.
All right. Let's keep reading here. I'm going to grab the next section of this, and then we'll read another section. Go ahead and read this, please.
Hmm. We think nanowires are special and go to great lengths to make them, says steady co-author Nathan Moore of Sandia National Laboratories in Albuquerque. Maybe they are more
Albuquerque.
common than we think.
Albuquerque. Yes. Good.
Hmm.
Okay. So nothing there of interest. So let's keep reading here. This is physical science, so I think that's one reason why you're adapting to this so well. So let's take a look at this.
Wait, I'm doing well in physical science?
Well, you said you always were doing well in physical science.
Yeah. Hmm. Yep, I was doing really good in there. I got a B grade for that class in 10th grade and also in 8th grade.
All right, so
Yeah.
go ahead and keep reading here.
Metals such as gold or lead, in which bonding angles are loosey-goosey, can stretch out at temperatures well below their melting points. But scientists don't expect this plasticity in a rigid crystalline material like salt, Moore says.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Any words in there is like this is not really a word, but loosey goosey. Do you know what that means? It's kind of slang. So you can look that up on the internet.
Loosey-goosey.
Yeah, go and look that up on the internet.
Hmm. Okay. Imprised or disorganized or successfully relaxed.
So I think it was relaxed.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. So let's take a look here. I'm going to grab a next section of this. Hopefully this is, yeah. All right. Okay, go ahead and keep reading, please.
Yeah. Mhm. This unusual behavior highlights that different forces rule the nanoworld, says theoretical physicist Christoph Kampa of Boston College. Forget about gravity, it plays no role, he says. Surface tension and electrostatic forces are much more important at this scale.
Okay, very good. All right, let's keep reading. Go ahead and read that for us, please.
Mhm. Okay. Moore and his colleagues discovered salt stretchiness accidentally. They were investigating how water sticks to the surface, such as salt, and created a super dry salt sample for testing. After cleaving a chunk of salt about the size of a sugar cube with a razor, the scientists guided a microscope that detects forces toward the surface. When the tip was far away, there was no measured force, but within about 7 nanometers, a very strong attraction rapidly developed between the diamond tip of the microscope and the salt. The salt actually stretched out to glob onto the microscope tip. Using an electron microscope to see what was happening, the researchers observed the nanowires.
All right. Okay. Um, so let me make this a little smaller here, ask you some questions that you can see the passage here. How much force was measured when the tip was very far away?
There was no measured force, so it's zero. The
That's
force
right.
is zero.
Very good. None. Very good. Okay.
Yep, the force equals zero. That's what the force equals. It equals zero when the tip is very far away.
What instrument are the researchers using to observe the nanowires?
The electron microscope.
Very good.
The electron microscope. The electron microscope.
Very good. All right, let's grab another section here of the reading. Grab the rest of this section.
Mhm. Okay.
All right, so let me make this a little bit larger. Okay, whenever you're ready, if you want to read this.
Yeah. Okay, the initial attraction between a tip and salt might be due to electrostatic forces, perhaps a good old Van der Waals interactions. The researchers speculate several mechanisms might lead to the elasticity, including the excessive surface tension found in the nanoworld, same tension that allows a water strider to skim the surface of a pond.
Right, very good. All right, what does the word speculate mean? Speculate. Go ahead and look that up, please.
Mhm. So what does speculate mean? Okay. Form a theory or conjecture about a subject without firm evidence. That's what it means.
All right, can you put that in the chat? Sorry, I thought you were gonna. I kept thinking you were gonna eventually put it in the chat. So, um, yes, that is correct. But could you put it in the chat?
Yeah,
And is it a noun? Is it an adverb, adjective? What is it?
that's a verb.
All right. So I want you to speculate is a verb,
Okay.
and I want you to write a sentence with it as a for me here. So some sort of sentence about speculating.
Mhm. Okay. So I have speculate in the sentence.
Yes, yes. I'm asking you to write a sentence here.
Okay. Okay.
All right, well, we're getting really close to being out of time,
I'm almost there.
Sourish,
I'm almost
so
there.
yeah, yeah, just
There we go.
all right. So yeah, I mean, we speculate about the Big Bang Theory. Maybe we could say it that way.
Hmm.
So we speculate that the Earth was formed from the Big Bang Theory.
Yes.
All right. Good job, Sarish. Hey, I did a great job today. I wish